Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be making some crispy potato wedges. If you're interested in seeing how it's done, then keep on watching. So guys, I have 4 potatoes that I will be using today. First, I wash them well because I will be leaving the skin on. Next, I am going to take a knife and cut them into wedges. And I'm not cutting them too small because I don't want it to burn easily. And I'm not cutting them too thick for them to take a longer time to fry. Next, I am going to place the wedges into some ice cold water for about 15 to 20 minutes, and this helps to remove excess starch. So guys, after the 20 minutes is finished, I am removing them from the water and I am placing them on some napkins for them to drain properly before seasoning. I am using some more napkins to make sure that they are properly dried. To begin the seasoning process, first I am going to drizzle some olive oil on the wedges so that the season can stick to it. The seasons that I will be using today are garlic powder, onion powder, chili powder, paprika, salt, and some ground black pepper, and that is 1 tablespoon each. So guys, I already have my oil heated on 350 degrees and I will be frying these for about 5 minutes in total. Guys, make sure you stir them in between so that they can be evenly fried on both sides. after they are finished, I am going to remove them and then add the remaining. So guys, once they are finished, I am going to place them on a cooling rack to drain any excess oil and to cool. If you don't have this, you can use napkins. And there you have it, guys, some crispy potato wedges. They tasted so delicious. They were well seasoned and well fried. Don't forget to give this recipe a try. Come back, let me know down below in the comment how they came out. Guys, don't forget to like this video. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Drop a comment down below. Until next time, bye guys.